Hello, it's me again. In case you've forgotten, Tommy Stewart, my Tartan there, Stuart Tartan. Anyway, today I'm going to talk about easy YouTube SEO V2. And I would like to tell you that with regards to this piece of software that's for sale, it comes available on the 24th of February, so it's available now. It's been done by a chap called Jason Eichel. I hope I'm saying that the right way. I keep on coming across these foreign names, I can't say them properly. Anyway, there you go. It's only $8, so it's for nothing. It's a freebie, just about. Anyway, let me tell you a little bit about it, right? Here we are. What is easy YouTube SEO V2 all about? Well, it tells you everything here. There isn't a lot of information involved here. Easy YouTube SEO V2 is a brand new 8-part over-the-shoulder PLR. That's important, that, a PLR. Because with the PLR means, of course, you can sell it on and create all the profit for yourself. Video training series that teaches you and your customers how to rank your YouTube videos even before you make them live. Now that's very important, that, because I do a lot of trying to make to promote my YouTube videos, and there is quite a lot to it. Anyway, here it tells you video 1. Video 1 tells you introduction to YouTube SEO. Video 2, competitive research. Very important, that, yes. Video 3, highly searched keywords. More important than you think. I've just realized that recently. Video 4, video file optimization. Video 6, your thumbnail. That's important too, by the way. Video 7, video length. And video 8, secret tip to outrank your competitors. They've in fact missed nothing out. So it says here, aside from this video series, they're also including ready-made sales material such as sales copy, editable graphics, etc, etc, etc. There isn't a lot to say, is there? It's all said there. And that's precisely what you get. There isn't anything else to waffle on about and take a lot of your time up. The other thing with this piece of software is that because it's so inexpensive, like for nothing just about, the people who have put it together, the creators, have not given any free bonuses, nor have they put any videos into it to let you have a look at it later on and get to understand it a bit better, because they presume that you will understand it anyway. So this video that you're looking at here, by the way, is available anytime you want to look at it again. Just if you look below here, you'll see my name, Tommy Stewart, my link. Just click on it, and it'll bring this up again, and you can look and you can check through it again. Here, however, I have put together 4 very nice bonuses to do with the very same subject: how to rank YouTube videos on the first page. 5 tips. YouTube video SEO, how to rank any YouTube video first page in 24 hours. Fast. That is fast. That's bonus 2. Bonus 3, how to rank number 1 in YouTube. Fast again. Fast boys. 3, that is. Number 4, how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. Now, these 4 bonuses, like I say, much the same as what you're being tutored here in any case, and they're yours free of charge if you buy this piece of software whilst you're here. By the way, if you download this and you click on any of these little buttons, it will take you to where you can purchase this this piece of software. And well, that's basically it. Like I say, the vendors, the creators of this software have not given any bonuses, nor have they created a video, nor is there anything else to tell you, because it's all so quite straightforward. Having said all that, I'm going to leave you to it now. Don't forget to go below, click on me, click on my name there, and you'll be able to read all this all over again. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you another time. Bye.